Hi friends, it's Mrs. Scheller and Landry. We are wanting to do a shape activity with you today, and it's called Building Your Shapes. I want to see if you can build shapes. First thing we're going to do is we're going to review some of the shapes we have. And while you're looking at the shapes that we're going to show you, I want you to think about how many lines it takes to make up that shape. Okay? So I have one here and I want you to shout it out. Tell me the name of this shape. Did you say circle? You're so smart. Now look at this circle. The word is going to be spelled backwards because I have my camera facing backwards, so just ignore the word. But I want you to tell me how many straight lines make up a circle. If you said none, you're right. A circle is just one continuous line. And it's not straight, is it? Nope, it's a circle. All right, Landry has a shape she wants to show to you. Hold it up high. Yeah. What shape is this one? What is it, Lan?
If you said square, you're correct.
If you said a square, nice job. Landry, hold that up for us. Tell me, friends, how many straight lines make up a square? Do you know? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 straight lines make up a square. Nice job. Now I'm going to show you another shape. Shout it out and tell me, what shape is this one? It's tricky. Did you say triangle? You're right. How many sides does a triangle have? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides make up a triangle. You guys are so smart. All right, Landry has another one. What shape is this, friends? Can you see it? Did you say rectangle? If you said rectangle, you're right. Let's count how many sides a rectangle has. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait a minute. Didn't we say a square had 4 sides? What's the difference between a square and a rectangle? What do you think? A square has 4 sides and they're all the same size, right? A rectangle has 4 sides, but 2 sides are short and 2 sides are long. That's what makes it a long and skinny shape. And a square is all the same size on all the lines. You guys are very smart. What other shape do you have, Landry? Or that was your shape?
Yeah.
I'll do my shape. I have this shape. Do we remember what this is called? Twinkle, twinkle, little. If you said star, you know. You didn't even need the song, did you? You're so smart. This is tricky. Let's count how many lines a star has. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a lot of lines, isn't it? I wonder if we could build a star. We'll have to try in just a minute. Landry has one more shape to show you. Hold it up high. And it is a heart. You guys are right, it's a heart. All right, how many straight lines does a heart have?
It's just one continuous line.
One continuous line, Landry said. There aren't any. This line is kind of straight. This line is kind of straight. But we're going to show you a way that we can make a heart with the objects that we're going to use today. We're going to build a heart. Are you ready? Go ahead and put that one down, Landry. I have one last shape. It's tricky. I don't think we've talked about it very much in class, so I want to see if my super smart friends can figure this one out. Are you ready? What shape is this one? What do you think? Did you guess? Some people, especially some preschool friends, just say, it's a stop sign. And you're right, but the shape itself is called an octagon. And let's count how many sides an octagon has. Ready? How many straight lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. An octagon has 8 equal sides. You guys are so bright. Now I want to play this game.
So bright.
I want to play this game and show you how we can build some of these shapes. I'm going to move the camera down, so you might not be able to see me, but I want you to be able to see our table and the materials that we have here. Okay, so let me scoot out of the way. And I'm going to aim this down a little bit. Can we see? That's as down as it goes for us. Okay, so we'll work within that area. Okay, so what we have our shape cards that we just used. These are like twister crayons. I don't have regular crayons at my house. Can you believe it? So we have these twister crayons, but those will work. Any kinds of crayons or markers. We're going to use beads. We can use craft sticks, like popsicle sticks. And we have some ribbon. We're going to try to build these shapes. Are you ready? Landry, this is a triangle, and my friends already told me, can you see it? How many sides does a triangle have? Did you say 3? You're right. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to choose the crayons. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to build my shape. I'll move these out of the way a little bit so you can see. So here's my triangle, and I'm going to lay my crayons. 1, 2, 3. I built a triangle. Can you guys build a triangle like that? You could make your own shape cards. I just made my own on a piece of paper, and I drew the shapes on there. You can draw them, or you can have your grown-up help you draw them, and then you can gather some materials from your house and see if you can build these shapes. Let's try another one. Let's try the octagon. Are you ready? How many sides did we say an octagon had? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. I'm going to try it with our sticks here, and we're going to see if I have 8 sticks. Let me count them. 1, 2, you can count with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wonderful. Okay, here we go. So it looks like there's a straight one here. Landry, do you want to try it?
Oh, no. No, please.
There's a straight one at the top. We'll put it right in the middle.
Like this.
These other sides kind of come out a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Well, this is going to be a large octagon. Then it comes down again straight.
Oh, oops. Oh, my bad.
I can't tell. I'm upside down. And then it comes in again. Whoops.
This.
And then it comes across again. Can you see it?
That's way too big.
I think it might be way too big.
Yeah. I don't think they can see the bottom of it.
Let's try if we
Put them on top of each other.
lay them on one another. If we can shift it back a little bit. You guys get the idea though, right? Can you see that? We built our octagon. All right, let's try another one. A heart is rather tricky. You could build it a couple ways. Do you remember how we said the bottom part of the heart, this side and this side, are a little bit straighter, right? And then the humps are up here. Those curved lines are up here. Let's try. Let's see what we can do. We could maybe take some crayons. I'll get prettier colors. Let's see. What's Mrs. Scheller's favorite color?
Oh, I know this.
Blue.
I knew that because you're my mom.
All right. So I'm going to make the straight parts of the heart with this blue. These blue crayons, if they'll not roll. Maybe know if this will work out very well.
I have a good idea of what we could use.
Landry has a good idea too. We could crease. This might not work. This is called trial and error, boys and girls. Sometimes our things work out and sometimes they don't. That's right, Landry. She knows.
Yeah, I have to write stories for my school.
But it's good to have ideas and try to do your ideas, right?
Yeah.
See if we can make them work.
Yeah.
That is a really goofy looking heart, but it's kind of in the shape of a heart. Landry has an idea to use the beads. So she's going to try to build a heart with the beads.
We're going to need more than that, but that's
Let's
okay.
try it. While Landry works on that, let's see about, what other one could we do? Oh, how about a circle? This is going to be quick and easy because guess what? The circle doesn't have any lines, right? It's just a one round line. So here's what we're going to do. I cut a piece of ribbon off of this spool of ribbon. And because it was it was all wrapped up, it actually makes a circle. If I just drop it on the table, it already makes a circle. Can you see it? A little bit. I don't know if you can see that or not on the video. So we can make a circle with ribbon. You can make a circle with beads. You could actually make a circle with the beads right on here. You can just put the beads all around and make a circle. How's it coming with the heart, Landry?
Not that well.
We could also make a rectangle. I'm going to try to make a rectangle. I'll use some beads. And what did we say about the rectangle? It has 2 long sides.
This is going to be...
And 2 short sides. So I'm going to use popsicle sticks for the long sides. Landry. Oh, Landry finished her heart. Can you see it?
So bad.
It looks great. It has the 2 straighter lines where it's straighter at the bottom, and she made the top part of the heart where the lines are curved with beads. You guys could try that at home too. I'm going to borrow some of her beads, and I'm going to make my rectangle. You can mix and match these materials in order to build your shapes. You see that? Whoops. Landry's going to clean up her heart.
And beads.
I just threw a bead. I'm not sure where it went. We'll have to try to find that before my vacuum cleaner does.
Oh, I found it.
All right. So do you see that one? All right, my friends. I hope that you enjoy doing all of these different shapes, making them with different items that you can find around your house. I'm going to lift this up a little bit so I can say goodbye to you. All right. So I hope you enjoyed our little activity about building shapes. Like I said, I just made these little shape cards out of markers. I drew them right on a piece of paper, and I just found some items around my house. Make sure that you're practicing counting your sides and taking a look at the shapes and trying to remember what shape has how many sides. How many sides does a triangle have? Where's a triangle? Can you make a triangle? How many sides? 1, 2, 3. You guys are so smart. Keep practicing. I miss you guys. I hope you're staying safe and healthy, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.